Hi, Kaden.
Hi, Mommy.
What are we doing today?
So today we got the what's this cereal from the last challenge. This kind of cereal.
We got some cereal.
This cereal.
Like
Remember that?
roast cereal that looks like rabbit
Remember
food.
that?
Yep. And we're gonna dump it out on this
We also find a free
mat.
We also find a free D-bot, right?
A what?
Free D-bot.
Oh, it's not free.
Well, we could get it.
Well, we might get it.
But Adam just kicked his D-bot that right down the stairs.
Yeah, I know.
And then
Because it was broken, right?
No, it wasn't.
What?
It wasn't.
Wasn't broken?
But the only thing that broke is there was a crack in the dustbin. But it still works like a champ, you say.
Oh. All right, you ready to dump the cereal?
Dump it in here! Ah.
All right, you want to introduce your Roombas that we're going to use?
Yes. Uh-oh. That's in there. Oh, gosh.
Okay, I'll take that. All right,
That-
introduce your Roombas.
Look at how much that is. I can crunch some up. Okay. This white one is Yuffie 11S, Shark Iron 750, Roomba 890, Mr. Spinwave, and Bob Sweet
Yep.
890, Shark Iron 750, Roomba 690, and Shark IQ.
Woohoo! All right, we pretty much charged them up, emptied the dustbins too,
All
right?
of them are completely charged. I emptied all the dustbins too. Whoa.
All right. Well, dump away.
And look, there's a corner right there. I'm gonna do like the white guy.
Okay.
I got some.
Really? You're not just going to dump it?
I'm gonna do a big handful.
It's hard to see. Oh, my. We have a lot of robots in one little space. No, make sure it all gets on the mat, because otherwise we're going to have animals.
In my sandals. I'm gonna pull out the later there. How are they gonna clean up all this? There's still a lot more.
I don't know. We'll see, I guess. We're going to dump it back in the bags, right?
Yes,
In
you
the
can
bag.
save it for next time.
Okay.
Comment down below if you did this before. Oh, there's so many sandals. I don't need,
You don't need sandals, I guess.
because I could just walk all over it.
I know. Yeah.
And there's no dirt there.
Yep.
Uh-oh, it's going through this hole.
That's okay.
There's more.
How much more?
There's like
the whole bag.
this much.
That's a lot. Oh my goodness.
Oh, gosh.
Try to keep it in
Yes,
here, okay?
way.
No, try to keep it in there. Just dump the bag, Kaden.
What?
That is a lot of cereal. Whoa. It actually looks like rabbit food or something. Or hamster food. I wouldn't dump them all over the Roombas.
Oh, gosh. Gosh. Oh, just a little bit. There's hairs in there.
Wow, look at all this cereal.
Just dust them off.
All right. I'll take the bag and you turn them on. You ready?
No, that's what? Hello. Okay.
Let's get cleaning.
Start him up.
Wait, do we use chocolate cube? Yeah. Okay.
Want me to help?
That doesn't work on this one.
Uh-oh.
It doesn't work, does it?
Bob sweep doesn't work on it?
Does it?
Oh. Oh no.
That was over the challenge. How much did it pick up in one spot? Oh, there's fire in there.
All right, start up your robot in the front. He's blocking.
Look, there's fire in there. There's fire in there.
Yeah. All right, start the robot right there in the front.
Wait a minute. This one's on the challenge.
Uh-oh, Yuffie.
What? Dang! Oh, that's packed!
Already? Which one is that?
Shark.
Wow. Okay. Yuffie is not happy. Keeps arrowing out. Again, Yuffie is just not happy. I don't know. Nope. I think there's something up with it.
This doesn't work for destroying this. It doesn't work. I think this one might be out too, and it doesn't work. Oh, what's happening to this thing?
I don't know, but they've already cleaned up like almost all of the cereal.
It's crazy. It's like going in circles all of a sudden.
Yeah, something's not right with it. It probably needs maintenance from the last challenge that you did.
Yeah. Here's on the outside too.
Yep.
Oh, my feet are getting hot.
Are they?
I need my sandals.
Yuffie again. Maybe take Yuffie out. Of course, the Roombas and the sharks are all going strong.
Yeah.
And one Bissell.
One Bissell board. Crazy. Oh, it's pushing the boards away. It's pushing the board. Stuck on the edge. We haven't checked Roomba the whole challenge. Excuse me, Roomba 690.
Wow.
I'm turning back out. I'm turning back out.
Yeah, you can dump it back out. Yeah, these guys are strong. They're pushing the boards.
I heard some more.
Oh, goodness. Is that Bissell? Oh, it was just starting to pick up most of it.
Gosh! gonna let them clean up now, okay?
All right.
They took it off.
Okay.
Sometimes this one takes a minute to dry up. There they go.
Now you're gonna remember who picked up the most, right?
Don't
Or
pick up
not.
all of it.
Huh?
Don't pick up all of it.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit right here.
I think a spider just got sucked up in Bissell. I think a spider just got sucked in there. Because I saw a spider and then I didn't see a spider. So I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure it's in the dustbin. Go ahead and dump it out one more time because I think it's in the dustbin somewhere. Oh, he's right there. Ah! Now Shark's gonna get him. Oh my gosh, now Shark got him. I just saw him. Oh, poor Spidey. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Get him out.
No, just, he's fine. All right, here. Oh no, don't step on him. I'll get him. Ready? Come on. Or actually, oh no. All right, come here. Go in the dustbin. Here we go. We're gonna move you over here. All right, he's safe.
That would say again.
He's safe. He's not coming back.
No, don't.
Ooh!
Oh my gosh.
One of them got away when we weren't looking.
Oh, that filter came out.
All right, put the dustbins back in.
They're done. They're all not really moving.
Well, yeah, because you took the dustbins out, silly.
Help me do this.
Here, I'll help you put them back in. Here's one. That was because we had a spider scare. Where's the other dustbin?
The filter?
Where's the other dustbin? Oh, that does not sound good. That has something stuck in it.
Stuck in which one?
Bissell. Can you hear it? All right, we'll take Shark out. Trying to escape again. Turn it around, bub, or upside down or something. There you go. That goes over here in Shark. I think they're all done though, bub. I think we pretty much got all of it.
Okay.
So do you want me to get a bag so we could dump them back in?
down below if you've done this. Okay, first one, 690. Huh. A little bit here. Let's see. That's 690.
We have to remember who has the most, right?
690.
Here is shark. This really doesn't have much in it at all. This shark.
Uh-oh.
Okay, how about Bissell? Oh, Bissell has crumbs. So Bissell's definitely not the winner.
Let me
Whoa.
see.
Wow, this
Mommy,
Roomba.
mommy.
What?
I will put it out. I will do it.
Oh, I can't even get it out. It's packed. Wow, that one is packed to the brim.
That one might be our winner. It
Could
might
be.
Or, but the sides are just empty.
Oh.
One side.
I don't know. I still think that might be the winner.
Mommy, hold up the bag so it's not. So it's completely like it. Oh,
That is a lot.
that
How about
is-
this one over here?
No, I will do it. That's
Okay.
another weight.
That's
now.
another $8.90, so that's probably
Yeah.
packed too. No, it's not packed. Not quite. Pull out some of this grass, though. Gross.
It's okay. There's a walk in there.
Oh.
See? Walkie!
All right, ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh! The one
This
that,
is empty.
the one that was really packed. Look at this, the one that was really packed.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Yep. Even this shark didn't even pack as much. I'm going to say this robot, which is one of our oldest robots, what number is it? 890. I'd say that's the winner.
I say that too.
Okay. What do you say? Say bye to everyone.
Yeah, so one of the people buy one of these.
Buy an 890.
Yeah, because it picked up the most.
Yeah. Roombas tend to pick up the most.
You can pick up any kind. Any kind.
Okay.
Could work good. Bye, subscribe. Yeah.